So, welcome everyone. First, today I'm going to show you a whole business run from the phone, from the mobile app. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to upload the app first, where to get that info form. And then we're gonna go through some function. There is so much. We're probably not gonna have time to go through everything, but I try to show you as much as possible so you can actually keep learning and keep doing things yourself, if that makes it easier, hopefully. All right, let me share my screen with you. Okay, so if you come to your Tekmatix account and scroll down, you will see the mobile app here.
Yep.
And the first, you will be able to upload the app also. If you're using iPhone, I am using iPhone. It's called Lead Connector, and I'm pretty sure for Android it's the same name. Do you have iPhone?
I do, yes.
Perfect. Okay, so you should be able to upload that. And if not, you can also download them from here. And if you have any staff member, you can just invite them, or you can invite yourself. And that is the first step to upload your app. I'm going to later show you a trick, so we will probably come back to this. But the meantime, I'm going to stop sharing here and start sharing from my app, from my phone.
To log in, would we just use our login that we would use for Tekmatix?
That's right.
Yeah.
Very important. So if you say you lost your login for your Lead Connector app, you lost your login for Tekmatix.
Yeah, okay.
Same thing, same login. Okay. So when we're here, the first thing I think which is important is to actually pin the right apps you like to use. That will be depends on what business you have and which apps will be important for you. And to do that, just click that, and you can have max of 4 apps pinned only. So choose the ones you like. I have here right now contacts, opportunities, dashboard, and campaigns. But you can add your calendar, tasks, ask AI, conversations, dialer if you would like to make a phone call saying that you need a number for that.
Yeah.
And post is if you're gonna charge people something. That is what that one is. Estimates, invoices, products, documents and contracts, social planner, reputation, media storage. That is so good. The media storage is really helpful because often we have images on our phone. We like to have it in our Tekmatix account. You can just go here and upload them. Or if you see something you like to take a picture of and post on your social media, just go ahead and upload them there. And that's it. And manual actions, obviously, home and search. Search does help a lot too, but I've just picked the ones which I'm thinking to showing a bit closer today in detail. And then you have also quick actions here to have most important things like sending review links. Scan business card. I'm going to show you that. That is a very cool feature.
Yeah.
Booking appointments, new opportunities. Opportunities is like we're talking about the pipelines in here when we talk about opportunities. And just a second, I'm going to. Okay. Yeah, we call it customer journey. So I just want to make sure I'm saying the right thing here. And yeah, for make a call, yes, absolutely. We've gone through that. So when we go to the contacts, I'm going to myself, Ilkay Ashton, and here we have option to make a call, send a message, email, meeting, and all of it. And all the details are here. I think this is the function we are all going to use mostly because when we're out and about, what are we going to do? Contact people, send them message, read their messages. Those are the things which are going to push us mostly. Saying that at some point, some people might just use the app. There are people which are going to probably, I'm curious to hear if any of you do, so let me know. So let's go to the messages. You can choose here what type of message you're going to do. Okay, I only have here right now live chat option, but you should have, okay, this is probably due to the, okay, this is probably better. Yeah. The options you get for messages is probably going to be on what the client also has available. If the client doesn't have the option to, if the client hasn't provided its phone number, the SMS is not going to be there. If the client hasn't provided the email number, that is not going to be there. But as simple as it is, by clicking the email, I can send an email straight through or text message straight from here. Send photos, anything, I don't know, have you been using snippets?
Not at the moment.
Okay, amazing way of doing repeated tasks. If you find yourself sending the same email over and over again, like delayed payments or confirmation for something, but it's the same wording. You just create snippets and then you can go to the snippets and take one of them. They've got here a few here.
Okay.
You, what is it? Hi, custom field. Thanks for reaching out to know more about our services. Yeah, email address, phone number, very simple. And if you have to do that all the time, create a snippet. Yeah, you can do pretty much everything. Request a payment, add a trigger link, files, choose a media from the storage, or you can choose a media from your camera or create a video. If you're having to send your clients images, videos of something you need to be doing, instruction or something, this is so good. And yet you can do pretty much everything and you can see all the details here. You can see if there is an appointment coming up with that client, if that client has paid you anything, and you can send them a product from here. And then let's say fill out any information for them, tasks, if you have anything coming up, opportunities, you can put notes for them, and documents and activity. Just like everything you would do on your Tekmatix desktop, you can do from here for a client. So I love that function. And then you have at the top also pending task, pipeline value, unread messages, and information. You can change those settings and you can also have your app light or dark. System is light, I think, yeah. And yeah, payment settings if you connect it. If you ever want to test a payment, you would turn that on. Oh, allow tips. That is new. I have not seen that before. Awesome. Okay, so pretty much anything and some new cool stuff in there, obviously. And then what I love is that I learned a new trick from somebody actually. When you go to conferences or to some kind of connecting networks and stuff, and you get to meet so many people, right? And then you have no time to speak to everybody or to connect with everyone. But there's a cool trick. Can you I've actually seen it through contacts, but now I see it here as well. Scan business cards. I have here my husband's card, and you scan the card, and it takes the whole information and puts it through. Just make sure. Oh yeah, you can scan the back too. Okay, don't. Yeah, let's see. I don't think it's gonna get out much there. Okay, so you've got all these details. and it takes out any detail. Now it messed up as I scanned the back. No, it didn't. It did a good job. It used to make more mistakes, so I was a bit careful with that. So what I do is before going to an event, I create a tag with the name of the event and start creating my automation regarding to that. Let's say, oh, hi, custom first name. Nice to meet you at event name and love to catch up. Here's my details. Let's connect. Or let's book. Can you book an appointment so we can reconnect or something with your calendar? It is so good and it's so helpful, and people are pretty much really surprised by receiving that message from you so quickly while you're sitting still in that event. I think that is really useful. So I can save it now and put them in a tag and send them that information. I'm gonna do that. It's all right if he gets a message from us. Okay, takes a minute to save. Mm, okay. All right, where was the tag? Yeah, you can put tags here. They've recently changed the app a little bit. Yeah, action tags. Okay. You can put any tag here and then go from, and the automation will kick in straight away. Okay. And then dashboard, you can use your dashboard here, but of course you have it up here as well. Like most important things are here at the top, pending task and pipelines, but you can also have you look at your dashboard as it is on your Tekmatix account. And your calendar is, I think, really important to have it on the go to know what's coming up, or if you're about to miss a meeting or anything urgent happening, somebody booked an appointment, so you can check everything here and edit it, or book an appointment, or block off a time when you're out at pickup and you just got told your kids have an event coming up. Block the appointment straight away before you come home and forget about it. And today I have seen actually Sarah talk about the email statistics showing up here. So if you go to the campaign and go here, you can see the whole statistic on your emails, which is so good when you've just started a campaign and you're a little bit worried about your contacts. I like to keep an eye on hard bounce and unsubscribed it to keep it always under 5%. And when I'm about out and I see that, I would straight away post that campaign, for example. Yeah, super helpful and succeeded, failed, draft, achieved. Everything is here. Now, pretty much everything you can do from here. So, do you have any questions about it so far?
How does the POS system work?
The POS system is pretty much like payment, taking payment out. Let's go there. Let's just remove that for a minute. So you could create here an amount of an item and you get the straight away the link, and that way you can charge your client. Okay, custom item, one price update. Okay, this is not enabled, is it? Okay, let's see. Yes. Okay, this is not gonna work here, but you can create straight from here a payment. Let's say you're out and then you would like
Yeah.
to charge somebody for a service. You can create from here and charge the client on the point from your phone.
So can they tap our phone or we can just enter
Yeah,
the credit card details there and then?
Yes, that's right. They can
Amazing.
tap your phone on your phone, and then that comes to them, and they put their details and pay.
So it won't email them the invoice. We can just do payment there and then on the spot.
It should email them invoice as well with the
Yeah. Okay.
payments. I haven't tried it out, so I'm
No,
not
that's
gonna say
okay.
for sure that it will send them invoice. You might want to test it out first before doing it in case they don't get an invoice. You want to know if it does.
Yeah.
I will try it out today myself as well to see if it works. Thank you. Is there anything else you would like to know about it?
We use, I'm a pediatric therapist, so we have our system that does all of our client stuff, but we're using Tekmatix for all of our courses and things that we're running out. So this will be really interesting from like an emails, like sending the emails out, being able to do payments on the go, because at the moment we don't have a method to do that. So that will be really great to be able to kind of do payment at the location,
Yeah.
and have a few other things. So no, it's really good. The business card aspect is a really cool one.
Yeah, I'm glad that helped you for sure. Look, there's also this payment option. And saying that, I'm actually not sure what the difference is between this and the POS. That would be important to look at it, and maybe I will come up with another training around payments, and we
Yeah.
can add mobile into it and have a look at what kind of options are there when you're out and about to get paid straight on the go, and what the differences is, because it would be important to see for you what the differences is so you can decide on what kind of payment you should be taking from the client, if it's POS or if it's invoice like here, new payment. Like the catalog is here, so you should be able to use that easily by sending it to the person. But yeah, if the POS makes that easier and sends them the receipt, that would probably help you a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just means for those one-off clients we go and see, we're not chasing them for the invoice afterwards when we've already done the service.
Yeah, absolutely. Great point. Thank you for that. Thanks for that feedback. I will definitely get into that. And yeah, look, any new things you guys like to learn, post it on our socials, and I make sure we have a training around it. Nobody's going to know everything straight away, so you will always have to learn new things. And Tekmatix is developing every day. So we've got everyday new features. Even if it hasn't been out, if it comes out, I'd be like, hey, look, Rachel, there is a new function. Let's hop on a daily call and I show you.
Yeah.
So yeah, let me know if you it comes to you, and yeah, we get there.
No, it's really helpful. Thank you.
No worries. Thank you. Thanks, Rachel. Have a lovely weekend.
Thank you, you too.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.